Max, have you ever secretly wanted someone's validation? Sure, Vanessa validation practically lives on it. Then meet Vanessa, the compliment fisher who never actually asks for compliments.
So, does everything look normal today? Wait, did you get a haircut? It looks gorgeous! Oh, I was hoping nobody would notice. Then why have you checked your reflection in the coffee machine 3 times? I was just checking the lighting. Vanessa, you're feeling a little self-conscious today, aren't you? Maybe just a tiny bit. I saw that!
Self-conscious means feeling uncomfortable because you're worried about how others see you.
Wow, Vanessa, beautiful dress. Oh, I almost didn't wear this dress today. Do you think it's okay? Really? It looks fantastic on you. Oh, this old thing, it's nothing special. No, it's perfect. Do you think so? Yes, but if it's old, why do you keep smoothing it every 5 seconds? I'm just making sure it stays ordinary. I know it's nothing, but I almost didn't wear this. Do you think it's okay? It's more than okay. You look great. Oh, thank you. Vanessa, you're trying very hard to look modest. Do I? Yes, and it's adorable. Thank you.
Someone modest doesn't talk proudly about their abilities, achievements, or appearance.
I sent the email. Great. Do you think it sounded professional?
Absolutely.
I know it was not great, but are you sure? It was excellent. Really?
Yes.
So you don't think I should send another email explaining the first email? Vanessa, you're looking for reassurance again. Maybe...
You've got this.
Okay, now I believe you.
Reassurance is something that makes you feel less worried or uncertain. Oh, I see. Thanks for explaining. Anytime. Feel better already. Excellent presentation, Vanessa.
Oh, thanks, Daniel. Was it really okay? It was great. Oh, it was nothing, but what do you think, Anna? It wasn't okay. It was fantastic.
Vanessa, you don't need this much validation.
I know. Do I? Yes. Thank you. I needed to hear that.
Validation is approval or recognition that makes someone feel accepted, appreciated, or confident. So it's about feeling accepted? Exactly. It builds confidence. I see. Thank you. Want more characters like Vanessa? Subscribe before Max falls asleep. Too late, but visit playerforwords.com for deeper explanations. Links in the description. Max may be asleep, but your vocabulary doesn't have to be.